As always, I'm going to be using my Doll Baby Edgy brush for this tutorial. I will be giving away one of these brushes, so please stay tuned for the instructions at the end of the video. But to start off the tutorial, I will be brushing my edges down as you see here. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. Next, using whatever edge control that I am using currently, I will dip the brush inside of it. Today I'm using the Eco Styler Flaxseed Gel. The key really is to hold the hair down at the root and swoop the hair around in the shape of a very, very deep C. Not everyone's baby hairs will come out the same, simply because our hairlines are not the same, so your baby hairs may not come out the same way that mine does, but I just do it based on the shape of my hairline. Tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. Betty Dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, the dog when crashes through the party. Michael Town is G.O.D. Yeah, wait, hey. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that knows I did, yeah. Still, what's up? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish. You can basically play with your baby hairs and fix it. As long as your gel isn't drying, you can go ahead and change whatever you need to change before it dries. This basically wraps up my baby hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in winning the edgy brush, all you have to do is like this video, leave a comment letting me know what is your favorite edge control. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe. And if you are subscribed, make sure that you hit that bell because I will be announcing the winner in one of my next upcoming videos. I'm not going to say which one, but it will be shortly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!